Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to use high dynamic range (HDR) on iPhone and iPad camera. The HDR feature aims to make the photos you capture on your iPhone or iPad as realistic as possible. Make sure that on settings, you have set on camera the keep normal photo option to the on position. To set up the camera, go to the photo app. On the top of your screen you will see the HDR icon. If you press on it, you will have a choice to either have it always on, or always off, or on auto. If you want HDR photos, choose either auto or on. When you use HDR on an iPhone or iPad camera, multiple photos are taken in quick succession. All of these photos are taken at different exposures and combined together to form the resultant HDR image with better color accuracy and detail, and this all happens automatically in the background on the device itself with no user involvement. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.